Hi everyone, this is Jenny Garcia, and in this video I'm going to unbox the February kit from Studio Calico, and I'm excited about this one. Looks like a cute one. I know that one of my besties, Tina, unsubscribed because she didn't like the new format, and then she saw the colors and she was like, no. So I did order only 2 extras, so I got the numbers from the All About Me kit from Heva, and they're really cute. I thought they were gonna be a little bit smaller. I don't mind though. I like the size and I like the colors. I like the fact that they're vellum. Maybe you can put them over a photo or something where you can still see underneath, maybe underneath some journaling. Love the colors. And I was thinking more about December daily. I mean, I'm done with 2022, but in July I think I'm gonna do Christmas in July, and I might need those. So, and then I got the hearts, and these are for my friend Tina. I said that I would add them to my box. Oh, I love this packaging. Make your own magic. If they sell a pouch like this, I would buy it. It says this. And now I don't like that I have to rip it out because I like that part. I hope there's something inside that reflects. Ooh, I already see cute patterns. And it's a chunky one because we have washi tape. Okay. And last month I was complaining about the monthly mark, and I think Chappy Plants, Jen from Chappy Plants, told me that the marker was inside here. Actually, not inside, but this thing. This one has a birthday, like, giant tag. Oh no, I ruined it. Okay. So yeah, this is really cute. However, I would have preferred if they did a bunch of little ones. I know it's more designing, but in January they did, no, this is December. In December they did these, and I really like them. That would have been cute. And also maybe because I'm thinking in a project life format, which my limits are 6x4 and 3x4. Maybe that's why I'm a little bit, if this is not 6x4, it's a tiny bit over it. So look, this is, you see, it's a tiny bit over, which is good for people who have the documentary kits with the intention to use them with traveler's notebooks. So let's put that to the side. And I'm gonna leave this till the end. This I'm excited about, and I almost accidentally got a second pack while I was looking for items to add to my box, and I was like, wait, these are cute, but oh, you get 4 of each. Whoops. And I like this. You see, this is something that will work for Traveler's Notebook, Project Life, and people who do memory planning. This is really cute. And even the memory decks, I am obsessed with these, and I had to resist the urge to get another one because it is so heavy on Valentine's Day, and I don't really take lovey-dovey photos. I'm weird about it, but yeah, it's mostly about sweet love and hard eyes, head over heels, but it has a lot of everyday things like the story, love this so much, love is everywhere, together. That's pretty simple. These, I don't know how I feel about these. They're cute, but you know what, I actually can use them with December daily because sometimes my journaling would be way too long for the regular labels, so I could use that. Probably not for Project Life, but I could use that. Oh, I didn't put this in the baggie. And then I have these puffy stickers that are everything. This is my favorite embellishment yet. I love the unicorns. I could have a whole sheet of those unicorns. And then we have the hearts, which I think are vellum. Oh, no, they're not vellum. They are acetate. I was not expecting it for a second if they felt weird. Let's see if I have, oh, I have this basket. That way I can lift them. You can see them a little bit better. I like the variety of patterns and colors and sizes. Ooh. Okay, I love this. These are awesome. I try not to look too closely at the kit during the sneaks and before it arrives. I looked at it enough to know that I want the kit and I don't want to skip on it, but not enough to. And even I think that if I studied the kit, I don't think I would remember it because my memory is the worst. And then we have washi tape. This is pretty, but I have washi that looks like this already. I wish it had more of these sky patterns. That would have been a little bit different, or maybe even these words like repeated, kind of like stamp, like some of these are. It's cute washi, but it's not unique, you know. And if you're subscribing to a kit, they should have like a little bit of uniqueness to it. And now we're gonna look to the paper slash cards. These are very cute. Well, I like that this bottom card says celebrating a special occasion, and you have birthday, anniversary, and milestone. Where and when. And love this pattern too. Little, or these strawberries, like all over this, but maybe probably wouldn't be that creative either. Just the strawberries, maybe like a strip that you can catch all of the flowers and the strawberries. Oh, this is so pretty. Sweeter Than Fiction, daily highlights. And I like it. I have a DIY kit for birthdays, and birthdays are kind of hard to find items for. Let Them Eat Cake, With All My Heart. I love these floral mandalas they are doing lately. They're really cute. It is hard to be sad when you're eating a cookie. All You Need Is Love, a lollipop, a love story, and their rainbow. This is really cute too. Maybe washi tape with this. I can't get over the washi tape. I have a lot of washi tape, so I'm an expert. No, I'm not an expert, but I already have patterns that look similar. I love this. And this too. Ooh, we get gold. Oh, do you see this? We could have made this. I love this so much. You know what? Oh, it's so pretty too. That's not fair. You have to make the back one crappy so I don't feel bad about cutting it. No, I'm kidding. Don't do that. Because I'm pretty sure if you do 6x8, this could be like a really cute cover. Or like a monthly marker. Love Is Blank. This is really cute. When I like this one has gold foiling. And love this Make Your Own Magic card. Love it. I love that we get a little bit of gold to do, very important things. And now that I see the whole kit, I'm starting to warm up to the labels idea. I love this. Cooking up some sweet memories. Love it. I wish it had gold foiling, but it's a bigger one. Those who don't believe in magic will never find it. Love a list. Oh, that's cute. As if they put the daisies and the strawberries together. Again, cute washi. Let's dance. The sweetest thing to do. The secret ingredients is always love. I like this for little photos. For a second I was like, what? But I keep forgetting that this has to translate into traveler's notebook and little layouts. Birthday wish list. What I like about you. Oh, I like this. This could have been a cute washi tape. And I like these. These are so cute. Made with magic. Make a wish. Oh, they could have put like a bunch of these. Like, sometimes they have like a roll of stamps. That would have been cute. Love this. Oh, this would have been cute washi too. I'm sorry, this has become a wine about washi tape. And this one. About today, I love you more than. Close your eyes, fall in love, stay there. This is really cute. And on the list, this is awesome. Let me see. What is my favorite? I love the paper. I love the paper. I didn't think that it was going to be my favorite thing. I don't know why. I'm such an embellishments person that cards are like, yeah, cards are there. You know, part of the kit. Okay. But my favorite item of the kit is the paper. And the only item that I didn't feel like super in love with was the labels. And that's just because, I don't know, I wish they had like a little extra design. But everything else is super cute. Even though I complain about the washi a lot, it's still really super cute. It's just that I have similar washi. I posted a video, a short video, about what I was doing this week in today specifically in my craft room, and I showed this. And what happens is that I keep using washi tape, and then I'm done with the project and I just throw it here, and then I have to put it in my organizers that are divided by color. But I have two of these. So, and that's just a little bit of, that's the washi that I've used like in the past few months. I have a lot more. I'm not proud. Let me know what was your favorite item. How do you feel about the new changes? It takes getting some used to, but I think I like them. I can't wait to use this kit. February kits are always really, really, really cute. I can't think of the last February kit that I did not like. And in fact, the one from last year, I got twice because once they had a sale, the kit was like $5 and I was like, do I need it? No. Do I want another pack of the hearts? Yes. And there was something else in the kit that I was like, well, if I buy these two things, that's basically $5. I'm gonna get it again. So stay tuned for more videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having an awesome day. Bye.